Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about mental preparation. So in this video we will understand some of the different types of mental preparation for sport and also be able to give some reasons why mental preparation can enhance performance. The first type of mental preparation we're going to look at is mental rehearsal, and this is where the performer pictures themselves executing a skill and practices the skill in their mind. And you really focus on the specific stages and the correct technique, hoping that when it comes to executing that technique, having that psychological rehearsal in your mind will help you to perform better. And an example of this is when a gymnast might mentally rehearse parts of their routine prior to actually performing it in a competition. The second is selective attention, and this is where the performer focuses their concentration on what they are doing or about to do and ignore all other distractions. So other distractions could be things going on in the crowd, it could be things going on in their personal life. It allows them to really focus all of their energy and effort on that moment when they're performing. And they focus on the aspects of performance that they can control, such as how they're going to release the dart or how they're going to execute the cricket shot, rather than focusing on external aspects they can't control, such as the result of the match, which is out of their control, but they can just contribute towards it. By focusing all their attention on the performance, this allows greater focus on what they're doing, rather than letting the hostile crowd distract them and affect their performance. Positive thinking. So this is where athletes think in a positive way about the performance, and they focus on their strengths rather than their weaknesses, leading to improved confidence in the performance. So for example, if a football team is going to play against a team that's much higher in the league and has much better players, they could still view this in a positive way rather than see it in a threatening way. And positive self-talk involves a performer endorsing their own ability and progress by talking to themselves. So thinking to themselves, I can make this kick, I am going to win this race and I'm going to give it my best shot, rather than thinking I'm definitely going to lose or I've got no chance against this team. So it's really focusing on the positive attributes of performance. Mental preparation stops athletes from getting distracted by external factors, and it helps them to deal with high pressure situations. Mental preparation is very good at reducing feelings of anxiety and stress, which could prevent them from performing to their maximum level. So when athletes get anxiety and can't deal with the pressure, having some mental preparation techniques can help them to overcome these fears. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.